that support has been there since the last time I did a video on July 5th, but those are new, so that's exciting. B&M has been here. Look at that. Some station track, I guess. It's pretty cool. I think this is going to be the station, and then the structure over there is going to be kind of the storage area for the other train or a maintenance shed or something like that. And I have a feeling that we'll see support structure there pretty soon.
Smoking is restricted to designated smoking areas, which are conveniently located throughout the park.